In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts on Facebook Messenger. If you've ever wanted to read messages without the pressure of someone seeing that "seen" checkmark, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll do this right in the Messenger mobile app, and the process is the same on most iPhone and Android devices. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're in the main chats view so you can easily access your account settings. From here, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. That opens your account menu, which is where Messenger keeps all your preferences and privacy controls. In this menu, find and select Privacy and Safety. This section centralizes options that control how you appear to others and what information you share during conversations. It's the place to go anytime you want to adjust who can contact you, what they see, and how your activity is displayed. Inside Privacy and Safety, tap Read Receipts. This is the setting that tells Messenger whether to show people when you've viewed their message. You'll see a switch labeled Show Read Receipts. Toggle this off. When the switch is off, your contacts won't see that you've read their messages. Keep in mind that this is reciprocal. If you turn off read receipts, you also won't be able to see when other people have read your messages. It's a fair trade-off that gives you more privacy and lets you read at your own pace without signaling that you've already seen something. Once you toggle it off, the change takes effect immediately for your account in Messenger. There's nothing else you need to do, and you can keep chatting as usual. If you ever change your mind, just come back to the same spot and turn Show Read Receipts back on. This setting only affects Facebook Messenger. It doesn't carry over to apps like Instagram or WhatsApp, which have their own read receipt controls. A quick recap before we wrap up. Open Messenger, tap your profile picture at the top left, go to Privacy and Safety, choose Read Receipts, and toggle off Show Read Receipts. That's it. You'll still receive messages as normal, but other people won't get a seen indicator from you, and you won't see theirs either. Thanks for watching. If this helped you take back a little privacy and peace of mind, you're all set. Enjoy messaging on your terms.